Hello, friends. I am happy to see Dr. Avni smiling in front of us. She has
Thank
scored rank of 243 in INICT May 2025. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Avni.
thank you so much, sir. This means a lot.
So, who was the first person you gave a call to?
Uh,
Mother or father?
Actually, I was with my mother,
Okay, great. So,
and
congratulations to her and your family as well.
thank you so much, sir. As fast, मतलब जैसे ही result आया, my mother started crying. I called my father. He was also crying. He came back home. He was in the market, and everyone was so emotional. I called my sisters. They also started crying. It was a very emotional moment for everyone.
No, Dr. Avni Gaur, I can tell you one thing why they were crying is because result is actually not your result only. It
Yes,
is a collective effort of a lot of people, especially your family who was standing behind you.
yes,
And
sir.
and we know this is not only for the day, it has been going on since maybe from your PMT level, right?
Yes, sir. From
No doubts.
PhD.
So happy for them actually. You, your parents, your sisters. I'm so happy for them. So Dr. Avni, again, heartiest congratulations. The idea behind this interview is a lot of thousands of students are going to watch this interview who want to crack INICT with a very good rank like you. So was it just you walked into the examination center and scored 243 rank?
Uh, Actually, I was preparing since I guess since second year. I
Okay.
got a bit serious about the exam. I started watching main videos, made notes, made my own notes. I studied them, and in the internship, I studied a bit, but it was not that good. So I took some time. I joined a hospital. I had to complete my ruler bond. I was doing that.
Hmm.
But after some time, I realized कि I have to give it my full potential. Like कि मेरे को अपने पूरे sorry, I'm so sorry. It's just I am so overwhelmed right now.
No, no, this is perfectly natural. You are a normal student like me.
So I had to give it my full. So I stopped working at the hospital and I joined. I was a student of Dr. Zenam Bora ma'am. So I joined her TND program. I went to Delhi.
Hmm.
I was completely under her guidance. I had decided कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. I have studied एक दो बार अच्छे से पूरा. Now I just have to follow her blindly, and I just followed her blindly.
Wow, great. Dr. Avnigor, you haven't shared about yourself. Besides family, tell us about your college from which you have graduated.
Uh, okay. I have completed my MBBS degree from a government college, medical Bundelkhand Medical College, Sagar.
Hmm.
And it is a good college. I had fun. I had studies. I had like pure MBBS ka experience with everything. It was a very good experience. And then I came back home and then I started preparing.
Okay. While preparing, how did you practice questions? Did you go for PYQs, PYTs, grand test? What was your actual thought process regarding the questions preparation?
Uh, I used to solve around 180 to 200 questions in a day. Like
Wow.
from January, I have been practicing this much questions per day. There were like hardly 1 or 2 days when I was not studying, when I was not solving these many questions. Out of these questions, majority were PYQs.
Okay. Great. Were you able to utilize examination and discussion, late night PYQ, midday modules?
Yes, sir, I was solving midday modules daily. It helped me cover a lot of PYQs actually. So it was very helpful for me. Even the late night marathon, it was also fun. You just सोने से पहले you do that and then you sleep.
Okay, wow. Before you know, I have taken few more interviews from cerebellum students, and all of them were quite regular in solving midday modules like you, but they were as regular in GTs also. So were you also in the same boat or were you a bit different regarding GTs?
I was giving GTs daily, मतलब on a regular basis, sir. I was a student of ma'am's TND, so I was solving मतलब GTs regularly on a regular basis. And but I was following her blindly. She said कि अब इसके बाद अलग प्लेटफॉर्म का जीटी देना है. मैं वो करती थी. She was like कि इसके लिए ऐसे पढ़ना है. I used to do that, just that, and I was solving GTs, ma'am के.
Great, great, great. So how was the day of the examination? आई थिंक शुभम शायद थोड़ा स्ट्रीमिंग में इशू है. हाँ, नाउ इट इज फाइन. सो डॉक्टर अवनी गौर, हाउ वाज द एक्चुअल डे ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन फॉर यू?
My actual day, it was just similar like जैसे हर एक बच्चे का होता है. Before the examination, one day earlier, Ravi sir took our class ऐसे ऑनलाइन जूम पे, एंड ही टोल्ड अस कि आपकी लाइफ में जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स आनी होगी ना, देखता वो एग्जाम के दिन ही आएंगी, एंड यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट एंड यू डोंट हैव टू रिएक्ट. That is what I did. I had my fair share of problems on the day of exam. I had to walk for like 1 kilometer to my center because there was so much traffic and so less time. And उधर कंप्यूटर में कुछ ना कुछ इशू होना, थोड़ा सा लैग करना, गलत थंब प्रिंट लगा देना. I did all the mistakes, but all I did was, as said by sir, कि you have to keep yourself calm in the examination, and that is what I did. Just that.
So friends, let me summarize it before we take the second half of the interview. Let me summarize for you. Dr. Avni Gaur started preparing from second year of MBBS. So she is actually telling you last 4 years she has been studying continuously. She made her own handwritten notes. When you are writing yourself, definitely it creates a good passive learning. Nothing like it. Very right. Third, she used to practice 180 to 200 MCQs a day till very recently. So that is something all of you should target. Number four, she was a subscriber of Cerebellum's BTR, so she was able to complete all these subjects, revise them comprehensively. She was able to solve midday modules also as a source of questions. That also you should have a look at. And then lastly, she told us that she had to walk 243 steps to reach the examination center. So,
Yes.
Dr. Avni, which branch are you looking for?
Uh, I haven't actually thought about it very seriously, but I think it will be medicine most probably.
Okay, great, great, great. And I'm sure you'll be very seriously going to attempt for NEET PG also. You're going to go for that, right?
Yes, definitely.
Great, great, great. So, Dr. Avni, suppose there is a student who is going to sit for INI-CT, let's say November or next year May. What will be your advice if he had been preparing for last 4 years like you, or if he is just going to give next 6 months or 1 year for the preparation? What should be the advice?
Sir, according to me, what that even if you're preparing for the like next 6 months में अगर आपको prepare करना है तो भी I think you should like give one read of the main notes at least once, मतलब in a fast mode maybe, but it really helps you build concepts. And after that, you can just revise it from either the rapid revision part or BTR or anything, any short version. But I think once एक बार main notes पढ़ना, it is necessary, it is good, it builds concepts.
ओके. तो डॉक्टर अवनी, अगर आप मेडिसिन ज्वाइन करते हो दिल्ली में, तो दिल्ली में मुलाकात होगी आपसे मौलाना आजाद मेडिकल कॉलेज में, एम्स में मुलाकात होगी, एम्स स्टेडियम मौलाना आजाद मेडिकल कॉलेज में.
I hope, sir. I'm really looking forward for it.
डेफिनेटली, डेफिनेटली. नहीं, मेडिसिन तो आपको मिलेगी मिलेगी. आपकी चॉइस है कि आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो. और अभी आपका नीट पीजी एग्जाम भी है, उसको भी मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा कि पूरी सीरियसनेस से देना. ये तो
Yes,
रैंक आपके पास आपकी एक सिक्योरिटी हो गई है.
yes,
बट यू
sir.
शुड टारगेट कि अब मैं वहां पे नीट पीजी में टॉप 10 में, प्रेफरेबली हो सके रैंक 1 ला के दिखाऊं.
Yes, sir. Definitely right.
नहीं नहीं, ये पॉसिबल है, पॉसिबल है बिल्कुल. देखो, आपने खुद बताया कि एग्जाम वाले दिन आपको कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई, कुछ कहीं पर कोई थंबप्रिंट गलत जा रहा है, आपको 1 किलोमीटर दूर से चल के आना पड़ा. ये भी एक लर्निंग है, राइट? और अभी तो आगे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी माइलस्टोन्स, लड़ाइयाँ बाकी हैं.
जी सर.
कुछ आगे के बारे में और सोचा अभी?
सर अभी तो ऐसे ज्यादा आगे के बारे में नहीं सोचा है, बट मतलब आई रियली वांट टू थैंक एवरीवन जिन लोगों की वजह से मतलब मैं यहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ. माय मदर हु वाज ऑलवेज देयर लाइक लिसनिंग टू माय रैंट्स, माय फादर जिनको मतलब आई नेवर बिलीव्ड इन माई सेल्फ दिस मच, बट ही ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन मी कि यू कैन डू समथिंग बिग. And matlab it's all because of him. Because of my friends, जगी when I didn't feel like studying, they'll push me कि यार नहीं, you have to do it. अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तू भी बैठ, तू भी आ. And that helped me a lot. I really want to thank them all.
वाओ, तो इसका मतलब आपसे मुलाकात सेरिबेल हम इवेंट में होगी.
Sure, sir. I'm really looking forward to all of this.
Great, great. It is actually a pleasure. It is actually such a satisfactory feeling to see you smiling on the camera after the exam result has been declared. और डॉक्टर अवनी मैं आपको कह सकता हूँ, अपनी प्रिपरेशन को मेंटेन रखना।
Yes, sir.
जब आप अपनी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन स्टार्ट करोगे, आगे और भी चैलेंजेस आएंगे, काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। बट इफ यू कैन मेंटेन दिस काम कंपोजर, तो कोई भी चीज मुश्किल नहीं है। और फिर देखते हैं आप अपनी प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करते हो मेडिसिन में, या यू विल ज्वाइन मेडिकल कॉलेज एज अ फैकल्टी लेटर।
Yes, sir.
और अभी तो सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन भी है, बाकी उसकी भी बात करेंगे बाद में।
Yes, sir. It's a long way.
या इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे। तो लेट्स रैप अप द इंटरव्यू। लास्ट वर्ड्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर फॉर द अपकमिंग नीट पीजी INI-CT, मोटिवेट देम।
Never judge yourself on the basis of your GT scores or how many correct you're getting in customs or anything. Never judge yourself. I never got like more than 150 correct. I never got that. Like I'm still here. So all you have to do is just be positive about yourself and you have to keep that attitude कि हाँ हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूंगी, लाइक मैं कर लूंगा, हो जाएगा। नॉट बी लाइक कि अरे यार इसमें भी इतने आ रहे हैं तो पता नहीं आगे जाके क्या होगा। नहीं, आगे अच्छा ही होगा। when once you have that confidence in yourself, सब अच्छा ही होता है आगे।
वाओ, ग्रेट ग्रेट। थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर अवनी गौर। इसी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कि हम सेरिबेलहम में मिलेंगे और आप मुझे आके बताओगे कि सर INI-CT के बाद मैंने नीट पीजी में भी कमाल करके दिखाया है।
Yes,
तो थैंक
thank
यू सो
you
मच।
so much.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आई लव टुडेज इंटरव्यू क्योंकि थोड़ा हटके था।
Thank you, sir.
चलो, ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
Bye, sir.
बाय।